Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicweb.com. After a long time I'm making this video. There was a month of Ramadan, fasting, praying, So it's over now and back to work, making money, right? So let's get started. Wanted to show you the US dollar index, how I use these indexes and how I track them. So I'm not going to show all of them because it's going to be, the video is going to be big. So let's just do the US dollar index, and then I'll just touch bases with the other indexes just to show you that, how important it is to track and what effects it does on the pairs. So let's get started. US dollar index weekly chart. This is the one I made on January 2017. You can see it's January 2017. This was the route I showed. You see this? When we were all the way on the top and we were posting a bullish candle, but I said, no, this is it, and we're going to drop from here all the way down here. Then we're going to bounce and go up here to 0698. And then we're going to drop all the way down to 91.71. This is almost like a year worth of menu that I already, ahead of time I gave out to my subscribers that this is what's going to happen. Look what happened to this chart. Exactly what I said. This is what happened after 8 months. Okay, it came down here, didn't come all the way to the TL, but there was this band here. See these two lines here on 0119. There was one of them, 0119 and 0126. These two lines, so it touched 0126, went up exactly where I said 0698, and then all the way down to 91.71. See that? Now from here, I said, okay, this is it. This is the bottom, wave 3. Then we need to go 38% of wave 4. Right? Look what happened. This is what happened. Then I said we're going to drop for wave 5 here, or maybe a little bit more, maybe to this white line here and somewhere here, right? Look what happened to this chart. Wave 4 all the way down for wave 5, and then I made this chart saying, okay, wave 5 is finished, and from here we're going to go all the way to up here for wave A. Then comes B, and then comes C, and so on and so forth, right? This is all mumbo jumbo. So look what happened to this chart. Boom and boom. As of 22nd June 2018, I said around this area, but we went up a little bit more and then posting a shooting star. So this could be the end of wave A, and then we will drop for wave B, maybe around like 94.59 or something like that. So I already made the chart and I gave it to my subscribers. But what I'm saying is that, if you can track something like this, what it does for you. For example, USD, you have 7 pairs of USD. Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, Nuzi USD, and then you have the opposite, USD Franc, USD CAD, and USD Yen. 4 pairs, USD on the right hand side, 3 pairs, USD on the left hand side. When this USD index going up, USD is getting strong. That means all the pairs that were the USD on the right hand side will go down. Your USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, and the USD will be going down. Go take a look what happened. And the other 3 pairs, they will be going up with the USD strength. USD Yen will go up, USD Franc, USD CAD, they will go up. Okay, this is what happened. So mainly what I'm saying is that if you can track this, and then if you know that this is from here, it's going to drop here, USD, then basically you have 7 trades in hand, 7 pairs to play with. You just pick and choose which one is moving the best, of course, compared to the other currency as well. And it becomes very easy. They will all be affected and go, which direction they should be going because of the USD. For example, if USD is going to start getting weaker, and then you look for which currency is very strong right now. For example, let's say Euro is very strong. Okay, so for example, I don't know if it is or not right now, but just for example, if Euro is strong and USD is going to drop here, and USD is going to get weaker, then Euro USD will fly. So what do? you go and use my and your, or maybe my subscriber use my Magic IB system and find the perfect long entries and in volume time, and we take those entries and that's it. So I'm going to show you the trades later on. Similarly, I'm going to show you a few more. For example, this one, Euro index weekly chart. I track all the indexes, all the currencies. So it was stopping, this ending diagonal, and after that it start dropping. So I said it's from here, it's going to come down here. Euro will be getting weaker, and Euro Aussie, Euro Yen, all of those Euro pairs will be going down, where the Euro is on the left hand side in the pair. Look what happened to this chart. Bang, all the way down to the target 29.01, right? And doing that, it gave me so many pips in different pairs, especially Euro Aussie, and Euro CAD and stuff like that. Euro USD, they all went down. Similarly, look, CAD index was here. What happened to this? Bang, as of 22nd June, right? And similarly, and this is okay. So now you see, this is on the 19th when USD was, I just showed you, right? So USD was getting strong. So all the USD pairs where the USD on the right hand side will be going down. So all you gotta do is take short entries. So this is one of the trade. Short entry here, nice and clean on the 19th. And I think it's a Euro USD, same 19, easy peasy, short trade. And where the Aussie index, man? Oh, here. So Aussie index, look, on the 15th I made, the Aussie was already dropping, getting weaker, right? And then from here I said 48.78, and after that, if it gives way, it's gonna drop. Aussie gonna get weaker, and wherever Aussie on the left hand side, those pair will go down. Look, the trades that I took. Look, this is I closed. No, this is what happened to this. See, Aussie index went down, went up, and then coming down again. Now, look what happened in the trade wise. Your Aussie USD down, 210 pip. Aussie Yen down, 280 pip. Okay. Now, and where the Aussie on the right hand side, what happened to that chart? Those pairs. This is today, 25th June. It's a long. Every time it comes down, just long, because Aussie is getting weaker. Pound Aussie, long. See what happened is here we're long, and then after that it retraces. In the slow time, it always retraces, and then in the volume time, it moves. When the currency moves, and it moves, and then you see the down moves. Basically, these are retracements. When the people close their trades on the top, price pulls back and gives you another opportunity to go long, because as long as you know that you have to go or take long, you have to go up, and Aussie is getting weaker. So wherever the Aussie on the right hand side, those pairs will be going to the upside. So this is all the mumbo jumbo that I do and teach in my webinars. Twice a week I do the webinars, and if you subscribe, you get every single thing. You get this the indicator that draws these candles, these indicators in the bottom, and the whole line. Yeah, there is an EA which alarm, beeps the alarm when the setup is there, and the training videos. So many videos I have on the website. You get the password to go on my website and watch all the previous recordings of all the hundreds of videos there, and all the previous recording. But you just have to watch a few, maybe 10 12 videos, and then you will get a hang of this whole system and my analysis, and then how you can put them together and trade properly. So this is what do I have any chart? No. So this is what I was showing, and also when now since the Aussie, not Aussie, USD is getting weaker again, for the B wave going down, all those USD pair where the USD on the right hand side, they will be going up. Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, and USD. And USD CAD, by the way, I'm giving you the hint, that is going to drop big time. So watch out for that. And like I said, this is it. If you like what you saw, then go on my website, myforexmagicwave.com, and subscribe and start trading like this, like just showed you. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.